What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the jail, boys. We are doing 331 things today. But before we get into all the 331 things, we've got to clean up what looks like the Exxon Valdez underneath here. And that is from the old leaky 302. So first and foremost today, we're going to fire up the pressure washer, clean this dude up. There you go, just a little super clean, little pressure washing action. It's not perfect, but you know what? It's 100% better than it was. Once everything dries up, wipe it down. Not bad at all. So I guess now, need to break out in that 331.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look at it.
Let's go check out this thing, see what kind of pistons and all that's in it. All right, before we get to the 331, let's see how you did. Good Lord.
Yeah.
Dude. Yeah, they looking good now. Little elbow grease goes a long way.
Yeah. Might not be a pro mod, but it's going to be a show car.
Here we go. No, those look good, dude. Those look good. All right, so let's get all the parts out. Let's bust down this 331.
Oh,
look at all this.
Works of art.
I'm telling you, just freaking beautiful. Love it. Oh, we got to get the intake out of the hatch too. Clean all that up.
Yeah.
All right, so there is the 331. We're about to snap the pan, swap the valve covers, and get it ready for Fox duty. So step one, see what kind of roller. And I don't even know. I'm assuming these are stud mount, but
I'm pretty positive. Yeah.
You would think, but who knows? I guess we're fixing to find out.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, nice.
So fresh and clean, huh?
Proform, maybe?
Very nice.
Who knows? Yeah, stud mount, so. I'm guessing they kind of look like Proforms, but who knows?
Kind of agree with that, yeah.
Yeah. They're blue and they don't have anything. The Scorpions would have Scorpion on there. Very nice.
Well, where I got them.
Yes, sir. All that fresh break-in oil in there. Very nice. Everything's all adjusted and like dark guide plates. Looking good. All right. This one thing you can see right here, I'm not real fond of that cork gasket just because they leak. Luckily, Chris got the kit from LMR that has the good gasket in it, along with the good valve cover gaskets. Brand new pan. Dude, you even got ARP bolts for the pan?
Spare no expense.
What? Oh, man. Alright, so I'm about to drop this pan off, get a peek up under there. There you go.
Got them all.
Did you get them all?
You certain? You on there?
Yeah, she's definitely on there.
It's carbon fiber too. That will be something to be like.
I got a bolt right there. Give me the other socket. Yeah.
That it? Yeah.
They all that on this side?
Yeah, looks like it.
I thought they was all that on this side. On this one. Let's see what happens now. Still
Good, I got it. It's goop. There it goes.
Just give it now.
Come on, baby. Yeah. It's clean in
It
there.
wasn't gonna leak, that's for sure.
There it is. A little bit of break-in oil.
Yeah, we'll flip it over and change the pickup. Put the pan on.
Yep. Yeah, because this one's got the truck style. All right, so what do we got in here? ARP hardware. You see anything?
I didn't see yet. I don't see no number on the piston or nothing. Yeah. Got all our ARP hardware.
Yeah.
Scat crank, which I think it said it was a scat crank.
Looks like they might have, is it balanced?
It's 28 ounce bounce.
Yeah, that's scat. You can see right there, scat crank. So. Yeah, see, I hate those things. They leak so bad. Yeah, it doesn't say anything on the bottom of them, does it?
No part number, nothing.
Oh, well. Probably scat. Looks like they did a really good job on it, though. It took the time, and
It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
they really did. Double roller timing chain.
That's a good thing.
Always a good thing. Judging from their website, it looks like you can get this dressed for a truck or a Mustang, which, you know, front versus rear sump. But this one came dressed as a truck, so we're going to change the pickup. And then, obviously, the pan, which I'm glad anyway, because we get to put the good gasket on it. Where's that gasket at, Chris? In there somewhere. But yeah, see, there's the difference between the front and rear sump. Fox bodies are rear sump. And that's for a truck or something, but I just got this kit from LMR. Yeah, there's the gasket right there, one piece. All it's like rubber. Yeah, get this cleaned up real nice. Seriously though, I gotta say, I mean, they took their time, painted it, masked it off. They didn't paint the heads, which I appreciate. And looks good. Looks like a lot of good parts. Did you get it up?
I think so. Let's pull this up.
Let's see what we got in there. Yeah, there's the good one.
That's the one we want.
Yeah, that's the one you want. The newer style there. Very nice. Alright. See where we're at.
That's 64, 6,000 miles on that truck. Sold it for 20.
Mars got that great feature when you buy something, it says, we recommend these things.
Yes.
Sure.
It gets me every time too. This pan looks great though. It's got the right plugs in it, right gaskets. Yeah. You do Pop's car's engine. I'm gonna have to splurge on a fresh pan. Yeah, that's gonna look really nice. And the rails. Gotta have the rails. Will seal up good. Man, I tell you what, it's so pretty looking at a brand new engine on a stand. I mean, you just like,
They're at the front shop and they be in there all these grease and
Even ARP valve cover bolts.
what?
a big handprint on
Man, Chris, you really spent the bucks, dude.
Yeah, spare no expense.
I know.
Spare no
I know.
expense.
Hold there, guys.
I like he said that he didn't want my hands to get greasy and build his motor. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, because we got plenty of greasy tearing that. Oh crap! I done cussed again.
Oh,
Dang it! Demonetized.
Shut your hole.
Take me 10 minutes to sit there and find the bleep and pull the audio out and put the bleep where it goes. And, jeez.
rolling out the head, so you look over there.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously, Chris, we'll just roll it in the living room and just look at it.
Yeah.
You know,
Conversation piece.
very, very nice. That's gonna be a stout little 331. You know, seriously, you need to buy a Jennings System Max to go on here. Get a little extra airflow.
Yeah. It's gonna need a little bit more.
Yeah, a little more than 302. Man, that's nice. I love it. All right, so we got a little bonus content today. We've got Boomer's hatch here. Boomer, how much did you pay for this hatch?
He said he can't say that on camera.
So we've got a carbon fiber hatch here. So the question is, what is the weight difference between the stock hatch and a carbon fiber hatch? And obviously we don't have any glass in it, but so we put it on. This one weighed what, 11 pounds?
11.8.
This one was 11.8, and then the stock hatch was
81 something.
81 and some change. So, and again, this one's going to get plexiglass and all that, but about 80 pounds off the back of the car. So,
Yeah.
not bad at all. Well, I guess we'll bolt this thing up real quick. Just see how. This is show neck, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Diane.
Look at that. Either Dover's been working out or that thing doesn't weigh nothing.
Hang out the cable working out.
Yeah, gotta do it. And bolt her down. Yeah, you can see it right there. Little carbon fiber. Oh, yeah, we gotta put the wing on. Definitely. Boomer's been over here taking the wheels all apart and polishing them. Yeah, those look nice. Whew. You're gonna make me bust out and buy some bead locks. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Man, these are pretty. And then also, so yeah, we got the Motion Raceworks wing we gotta put on there.
Team Z.
Team Z. I thought it was Motion. Alright, yeah, so we got the Team Z wing is right up there. I'll slide that thing on real quick.
This is all been power coated.
There's the brackets here. Very nice.
Team Z.
Has it got the down bars or something that are adjustable?
I don't think so.
Interesting. Yeah, not much to it.
Rivets.
Yeah, rivets to the, looks like rivets to the body both ways.
Looks like everything was kind of labeled. No, it goes on here.
Oh yeah, that's the cool. Ah, okay. Nice.
Inside brackets.
Of course, again, that's on the coat.
That was such a simple looking wing, such a pain in the ass to.
You got that in the picture sticking over. True. See, you already got this.
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
See,
So the issue is Team Z doesn't give us hatch guys a video, and they're quite a bit different, obviously. So
screw you guys. Huh?
yeah, screw you guys. We didn't want to install your wing anyway. But yeah, well,
Work, man. We don't need no instructions.
this is gonna look. This is gonna turn into be a big pain in the ass. And I found out this is a wicker or something or other.
Wicker bill.
A wicker bill.
Yeah, wicker bill.
I'd never heard the term wicker bill before. Maybe I need to come up
Shit, man.
under my rock. Yeah,
It's Promon shit, man.
But
it's
not,
Pro Mods.
It's not made like the one that he had.
No, it is actually
His
different.
was notched out for the brackets.
Sure was.
Well, it goes on top. It goes right here.
I know, but it was notched for
What a
the back
mess.
of the bracket.
So as you can see, guys, the installation of the Team Z wing is turning into be a big pain in the yeah. So we're gonna end it here, and got a lot coming, guys. A lot coming, and super excited for all of that. So make sure, guys, not only are you at Ford Takeover May 7th and 8th, because it's gonna be freaking epic, but you hit the like button, you smash the subscribe button if you haven't, and hit the notification bell, because I'm telling you, we got all kinds of stuff coming. So everybody have a good one. See you next time.